Hello everyone, it's Raifa. Let's see what will be drawn today. First, draw two eyes and cut it carefully. The eyes are ready. After that, draw two ears and cut it as I do. Now draw two antlers and cut it. Now draw nose and mouth and cut it. I think it will be a deer. Now I will glue all the parts of the deer onto the tissue roll as shown in the video. Our deer is ready. Play with it. Bye bye.